There's so many competition out there right now when it comes to mic or wireless solution. We have so many options. We have this, we have that. So many options. But myself, I've been using the Rode Wireless Go in so many scenarios. I've done wedding with it. I've done corporate video with it. I've done YouTube video with it. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you my overall thought of it. Or should you spend your money in this Rode Wireless Go mic? This and more coming up. Hey guys, this is Jeff here. Today I'm going to be talking about my experience with the Rode Lavalier 2. I've been having these little bad boys for, I don't know, like since they come out. I purchased them and I'm going to tell you the difference that they can make. Oops. Not only on your YouTube videos, but also on your production videos as well. So this is me not using any mic. I'm just using my S5. My Lumix X5, that's the mic that's on the Lumix S5. So now I'm gonna be putting one of those mic on it so I can be reviewing and telling you my experience with it. See how the sound's gonna shift dramatically. So there we go. Turn it on and look how easy it is to plug this bad boy on and ready to go. First of all, what you do, this is the receiver here. I turn the receiver on. The thing is, sometimes you don't even have to put the receiver on because you can use this bad boy as one recorder itself. So you can record sound, you can record audio straight out of this box. Only that. So my receiver is on. My receiver is on, as you guys can see it. Can you guys see it? 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 No. 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 Okay, my receiver is on right now. So, by the way, this is completely garbage. I can't use these videos in the video, so I'm gonna have to cut these things because I don't know. You guys who don't want me to put this in the video, you guys don't want me to. You don't. You think you do though, but you don't. You don't. Let's go through the features that this little mic has. First of all, it is a dual channel wireless microphone system for recording two sound sources simultaneously. Secondly, it's the 3.5mm jack analog output using USB Type-C. You know, this is amazing, which means you can connect it with your iOS, you can connect it with your phone, or you can connect it with your laptop. So very versatile. One of my favorite features that this mic has is onboard recording. So you can actually use just the mic without the receiver to record everything you need to record. You don't need the receiver to record your sound. You can record straight. Apparently you can get up to 40 hours of recording. So you'll never run out of space to record. The other thing is the ability to record each channel separately. So if you want to have like a stereo type of scenario, you can do that because you can record each channel separately with this little mic. The last favorite thing I like about this mic is the fact that you can activate on the app, you can activate something called safety channel flexible gain control. Basically what it does almost makes it impossible for the mic to clip. Almost make it impossible for the mic to clip. We all know one of the worst thing that can ever happen to a videographer is when you get home and then you pull out your sound, everything, and then you realize, pull everything on the computer, and then you realize that your sound was clipping. So you can't even use the sound, which means if you can't use the sound, you can't use the video. So I very, very appreciate that feature on the Life. So from my experience with that mic, actually I'm using one right now, I find it very hard and very annoying to have to record, to have to put this mic actually, you know, if you wanna wear it, you just wear it like this, and then you have this big, giant square on your chest like that, and it does not really look very nice. So you don't want that. I highly recommend, if you're gonna get one of those mic, you can get one of these. Hold on. Oops. Okay. Good thing I have my pants on this time. So never mind. So yeah, as I was saying, get yourself one of those little lavalier mic or lapel mic, however you want to call it, and that will make the whole difference. Because I find myself, for example, when I'm using those mic on the Groom, because they are very small, what I have to do is I just plug the lavalier mic, plug it on that, record straight out from this. Even I'm still recording, still sending all the signal to my camera through the receiver, but I'm recording straight out on this. Put that bad boy in, mic up the Groom or the Bride or the Efficient, and then I'm good to go for the day. Like, I can leave it on them and not care about anything, because I have so many hours, like 40 hours a wedding. I don't think any wedding can be 40 hours. So get yourself this, get yourself that. That's a nice update, and you'll thank me later. In terms of the sound quality, I've got to say, you know, Rode, we all know that Rode has a very good reputation when it comes to sound or when it comes to mic. And that did not let me down. Rode Wireless Go 2 did not let me down. I gotta say, you have this nice bassy sound to it, you know, rich. The sound is very rich. But same for any other mic that you might be using, every mic need a little bit of processing. So you can process that sound and make it the way you like it, or the way your client like it. So thank you guys for watching. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe right now. And I guess I'll see you in this video. Oh, should I say that video? No. However, I'll see you in the next video. Have a good one.